Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today I'm doing an unboxing and giving my first impressions on the ZTE Axon M. Let's get it started. Okay, so the Axon M is a phone that came out a couple of years ago, and to be honest, it just kind of fell by the wayside. It didn't get much publicity, and it just kind of fell off. However, in the past month or two, this phone has really came back. Being able to buy it online for a very, very cheap price, really being the only functional foldable phone available out there. The Axon M is a really good deal right now to buy if you decide to pick one up. Now here's the box, of course, as ZTE Axon M. So let's go ahead and open the box. Now this phone here was brand new and sealed. As you see the tape right there that was on it, on both sides, it was a brand new sealed device. Let's go ahead and just pull the top off of here, and the phone is on top. I'll go ahead and pull the phone out and set it to the side for a brief moment to see what all does come here in the box. So got this there. Pull this out and that out, and you got your typical Axon M books and stuff here, warranty information. Gonna leave it all in the box. Got your headset right there, your earbuds, your quick charger right there, and this is a USB Type-C cable right inside of here, which I'm gonna leave it all here in the box because there's just no need to take it out. The main thing here is the phone. So let's go ahead and put all this away, and I'll come back shortly. Okay, so I'm back now with the phone in hand, and I did pull out the front protector just to make sure there was no damage to the screen, nothing like that when I got it, and everything looks good here. The back of it there has a little sticker still on it, so we'll go ahead and just peel that off. And the back looks just as good as the front did. I mean, very good, very crisp condition here. Got your hinge here on the side. On top, we got a 3.5mm headphone jack with a noise canceling mic. On the bottom here, we got dual speakers, I do believe, USB Type-C. On this side here, we have your SIM ejector up top. We have your volume rocker, your power button, the fingerprint scanner, and your multi-touch button here, I think, for your camera, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and just power this phone on. Got some power there, a little vibration. Got ZTE, front-facing camera and rear-facing camera, kind of only one camera on this device, so it serves for both front and rear camera and your flash. So yeah, really excited about this phone here. Axon M, always been a big fan of ZTE. So I'll go ahead, get this phone here all set up, and I'll come back shortly. Okay, so we're all set up now and ready to go. Let's go ahead and open the phone by fingerprint scanner, and opens up just fine, no problem whatsoever. Now, I've been a big ZTE fan for a long time. Y'all know that. And I'm so glad to have this phone right here in my hand. I like this phone when it first, released, but the price point at that time was way too expensive. And after the price came down to where it is now, I just had to pick one up and see what this thing's all about. Being really the only foldable phone working now, So yeah, let's go ahead and just check the phone out here. Pull the drop down. Typical stuff here: your Wi-Fi, Google Play, airplane mode, flashlights, all this kind of stuff. Night mode, data saver, NFC, all that kind of stuff there. Let's go to the settings. Got your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, mobile networks, mobile hotspot, and more here for NFC, Android Beam, Bluetooth tethering, all that kind of good stuff there. Got your TV mode there, your quick launch button here. You can press that for double tap the camera or long press for TV mode. Gestures here, take a screenshot, pinch in with 3 fingers, take a screenshot. Switch frequent modes, swipe left to right in navigation bar, and switch screens in dual mode. So there you go. Display here. Force apps to work with dual screen. Extend mode for all apps. Brightness level. That's the brightness, night light, wallpaper, themes, sleep, and just so forth and so on. Notifications. Got your sound, your apps, your storage. This phone does have 64 gigabytes of storage with 10 gigabytes already used of that. So yeah, not bad at all. You can also add an SD card if you so wish for more storage. So good thing there. So battery here shows the percentage. Also shows you your usage since last full charge and your battery saver, stuff like that. Typical stuff here. Memory, this phone does have 4 gigabytes of RAM. It says 3.7 gigabytes of RAM. So just going by what it says. Tap and pay, got your flashlight, location, security. So security is your fingerprints and smart lock. Got your Google accounts, your language and input, accessibility. About phone, this phone is running Android 7.1.2 and September 1st, 2018 security patch. So yeah, there you go, 7.1.2. Not a big deal for me. I don't really care as long as it works, right? Let's go ahead and open up this screen, and yeah, there we go. Honestly, my first impressions here, this little bar down the center here, it don't really bother me all that much. It's there, but it just really it don't bother me none. But the phone feels nice and fast. Got an 821 processor. You know, I know it's an older processor, but you know, it still runs smooth. It still does a really good job. And to be honest, I'm not gonna go into a full, complete look at this phone here in the unboxing because yeah, I mean, it's a foldable phone, got extra screen here. You can, you know, share screens with video. I mean, you can do a lot of cool stuff with this phone here, and I'm really anxious to try this phone out. So I'm going to have to do a lot of testing on this phone here to see how I'm actually going to like it and how it's going to work out for me and everything. But yeah, the way that thing clicks, I mean, it's just got a really nice click to it here as you hear. I mean, yeah, there we go. ZTE Axon M. Really glad to have this phone in my hand to just kind of use and see how I'm going to like it and everything. Phone feels nice, feels good in the hand, got a nice heavy weight to it, and so far, yes, I'm liking it. So yeah, ZTE Axon M, really nice phone, y'all. So far, really awesome, really cool. Love that right there. Yeah, that's what's up. So let me know in the comment section below what y'all think of this phone here. I know there's a lot of videos about it right now. But yeah, this is my unboxing and first look here, first impressions of the Axon M. So go ahead, hit that like button. I sure would appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. For further videos on this phone and others to come, and I would sure appreciate that as well. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.